Hey, welcome back to Crypto Moon Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up and create an account on Binance.com. So to get started, come over to Binance.com, or you can use the link in the description where you can get 10% off of your trading fees, which does actually add up pretty fast. Then you can click on one of these two register buttons. On this screen, they give you the option of signing up using your email address or using your mobile number. So you can choose either one of these. In this section, you can enter a referral code. If you use this one on screen, you can get 10% off of your trade. Or alternatively, you can just click the link in the description box of this video and it will bring you directly to this page and apply the code automatically. You will then need to drag this little puzzle piece to prove that you're human. You will then need to verify your email address and copy and paste a code they send to the email you registered with. Next, you'll be prompted to enable 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, as I highly recommend, as it will add another layer of protection to your account by asking you for a passcode every time that you log into your account. Now they give you two options to do this. The most common option that people go for is the SIM authenticator, where they will send you an SMS message containing your passcode. This is not recommended as there's a rising level of fraud called SIM swapping, where hackers are able to trick Binance into sending the code to another SIM card number, then gaining access to your account. The second option is much safer, and that is using the Google Authenticator app, which you can download onto your smartphone. It will then give you a QR code to scan with your Google Authenticator app, or you can manually copy and paste the 16-digit code. Remember to keep this code safe, as if you lose your phone, you can still use this code to access your Binance account. So when you open the Google 2FA app and click on the plus sign, you'll be given the option to either scan a QR code or enter the code in manually. It will then generate a passcode to be used on Binance when you need to sign in, and the code regenerates every 30 to 40 seconds. On Binance, you will need to enter your 16-digit code as well as the code generated by the Google 2FA app, and then the process should be done. Now you have successfully created and protected your Binance account. This whole process can be done without using KYC, which is the Know Your Customer process that requires most centralized exchanges to collect and store your personal information, such as your name, address, and photo ID. However, by going through the KYC process and providing your personal details, you will then unlock access to a few other features such as peer-to-peer trading and a higher daily withdrawal limit. Binance has 3 verification tiers or levels. The first is the basic, and that requires you to give Binance your basic info such as your name. Next, you have the intermediate, and this is the level that requires a government ID and facial verification. It unlocks features such as peer-to-peer transactions and high withdrawals. The advanced tier requires proof of address, and this is only really necessary if you're dealing with up to $2 million a month. To start, we will click on Verify Now, and then go through and submit all the required documents and facial ID scan. After you're all done, it should take a few days for Binance to verify all of your details depending on how backlogged they are, and then you'll be able to use all of the tools and features of your Binance account. So that was how you create a Binance account. And if you're interested in more cryptocurrency tutorials, then make sure you check out my playlist for Binance and other platforms and tools. And if this video helped you in any way, please leave it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more crypto tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.